Step up the two of us, nobody knows us. Get in the car like sky. Staying up all night, order me pad thai, then we gon' sleep till night.
What's up, y'all? My name is Barbara Atewe. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I decided to create this cute Valentine's Day cut crease look for you guys. If you like what you see, please be sure to continue watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Alright, so my face is primed and my brows are already done. To prime my eyes, I'm going to be taking the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the shade Dark 48. And to buff that in, I'm just going to be taking the Morphe M173 brush. Taking this fluffy brush from my Amazon brush set, I'm going to go into the shade Evolve from the Morphe 39A. Taking that same brush, I'm going to go into the shade Cat Eye from the same Morphe 39A palette. I'm just going to put that in the crease. Taking this angled fluffy brush from my Amazon brush set, I'm going to go into the shade Cranberry from the Crayon Case Watch Me Blush palette. I'm just doing windshield wiper motions in the crease and then just swirling it towards the outer eye. Taking the shade Forever from the Morphe 39A palette and using the Morphe M321 brush, I'm going to go into that color and deepen the crease. Taking this e.l.f. eye crease brush, I'm going to go into the shades Deep Plum and a Tinge of Black from the Box of Crayons eyeshadow palette. Again, taking that Morphe M30 brush, adding no product, I'm just going to use it to blend. Taking this flat brush from my Amazon brush set, I'm going to go cut my crease with the ColourPop Dark 48 No Filter Concealer. Taking my Morphe M321 brush, I'm just going to blend the edges. Taking the e.l.f. eyeshadow brush, I'm going to go into the shade Trendy from the Morphe 39A palette. I'm just applying it in the center of my eye. And I'm going to go into the shade Strawberry Cream, this very pretty pink color, from the Watch Me Blush palette. Just a quick pause. If you're enjoying the video so far, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Be sure to hit the bell for notifications on future uploads. Back to the video. Alright, now I'm going to jump into foundation. So for foundation, I'm going to be taking the Too Faced Born This Way foundation, and I'm in the shade Cocoa. I'm just going to use 1.5 pumps. And to blend it in, I'm just going to be taking my body sponge from Real Techniques. For concealer, I'm going to be taking the Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer in the shade Toffee. To set where I conceal, I'm going to be going into my concoction of Laura Mercier Loose Setting Powder in shades Translucent and Medium Deep. I'm going to be taking my Miracle Complexion Sponge by Real Techniques. Taking this angled buffing brush, I'm going to go into the Black Radiance Contour Palette in medium to dark, and I'm going to go into the contour shade to contour my face. To sweep away the powder on my face, I'm going to be taking the NYX No Filter Finishing Powder in the shade Cocoa, and taking this Kabuki brush. I'm not entirely sure where it's from. Oh, it says Beauty Accents. I don't know what brand that is, but yeah, I'm going to use that to sweep away the powder off my face. Taking this pencil brush from my Amazon brush kit, I'm going to go into the shade Deep Plum from the Box of Crayons eyeshadow palette, and I'm just going to push that towards the outer part of my waterline. Taking the Morphe M222 brush, I'm going to go into the shade Cranberry from the Watch Me Blush palette. I'm just going to sweep that on the lower lash line. So for my brow bone and inner corner highlight, I'm going to go into the shade... I'm going to go into the shade Hustler Baby from Fenty Beauty. And the lashes I'll be using are these lashes. I don't know if y'all can see it. Let me get it closer. Come on, focus. There we go. These lashes right here. It is in the style D103 from AliExpress. I'll link them down below. To line my lips, I'm going to be taking the Sephora Rouge Gel Lip Liner in the shade Molasses. And to fill in my lips, I'm going to be taking the Sephora Lip Pencil in the shade Khaki. As for the details on this hair is from Editorial Looks Hair Company. It is Water Wave in the lengths 24, 22, 20, and an 18 inch and a 16 inch closure. I dyed it and I flat ironed it, you know. Yeah. Alright, and this is the final look. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. It was in the shot. I love these lashes. Love. Done. We're over. It's done. It's done. Okay? It's done.